Hello, hi guys. This is Code with Kimoy, and I'm going to show you the project that I have been working on, and it's called a POS application, and this is for my wife's ice cream shop. Actually, she has a cafe, and I'm going to show you what I have in here. So I'm just gonna quickly run both front end and back end applications. And so if you look in here, this is a POS application, and I'm just gonna quickly show you a demo of the functionalities of this system. So we have the authentication. User can log into their account. I will now log in as a super admin, and in here is the dashboard where the owner or the business owner can see the sales today, the average order, the open orders, the top products, the low stock alerts, the transactions, all these. So I'm just gonna quickly show you a demo. We have in here users. Only super admin can edit the roles of each account. If I change this to manager, then this user will be a manager, and if I change this one to cashier, then this person is only a cashier. So they have different pages that they can access. Now we go to the sales processing page where you can add items and you can place an order, payment method, card, Gcash, Paymaya. For now we're going to focus on cash. Let's say customer has 200 pesos, and when you place the order it will actually print out the receipt. Assuming we have a printer connected, the cashier will know how much change he or she needs to give to the customer based on their cash, and then the total amount. That's done. We also have a simple notification there. We can see the orders today, this week, this month. I've been working on this bug where it creates multiple open orders. So for now we're gonna delete any open orders because that's not that's a bug. And we also have products in here, so you can create a product. Let's say iced mocha 12 ounce, um, something like that. Let's say 135, cost is 90. So yeah, and then save the product, and there you go, you have a new product. And you also have these existing products. You can edit or delete any products. You can update it, delete. Let's say we want to delete this one. Okay, then we can go back to the dashboard and check our inventory. We have a way to add an inventory to a product, like for example our ice mocha that we recently added. We need to um, put the quantity on hand, how much we have, and we also need to put the threshold when we want the manager to be alerted. For example, if the stock becomes 50, then it gives you a status like this one. So we're gonna quickly test this out, the inventory and the stock tracker. This one, the low stock alerts. We go to our sales processing page and order ice mocha, and let's say we want about 40 50 plus orders, let's just say, to test and trigger the low stock alert. Customers cash and place order, and that's it, done. Now when we go back to our inventory, we will see that we have a low stock status on our iSmoka. All these are just a really simple way for um, the manager or the business owner to manage their business. I'm assuming I will log in as cashier, then therefore the cashier can only, yeah, can only access the POS page, and they can add orders, which is what they do on a daily basis. And yeah, that's it. The tech stack and the code is actually available in my website. I'm just gonna quickly show you guys where you can get this code. If you go to my website, kimoykatayas.com, and go down a little bit, you'll see it here, Kala Cafe System. You open that one, and you'll get all the code, POS Backend and POS Web. I've written the guide in here for every single thing and that you need. The most important part is the .env file. You need to have the proper values in here. All these other, except the database URL, all these are just like easy. The main important part that you need to configure is only one thing, and that is your database URL. And I suggest you use the same that I use, and that is prisma.io. Right now I've been using Prisma to host my Postgres database for my Kyla Cafe system, and it's so easy to use. I suggest you guys check it out, and that's for my database. And for my Node.js backend deployment, I used Railway to ship my database, to ship my Node.js rather. And for the front end, I used Vercel. I'm using the Next.js application, so it's really easy and quick to deploy in Vercel, and a very abundant free tier. And yeah, and here's the code. Everything is in here. And that's it.